There's this cat, his name is Freddy. This cat's a bartender, well known by anyone hip. And he can mix the kind of drinks that you won't forget. One sip and you'll flip. And for chasers, Freddy got some stuff for hip lips. Groovy stuff for your cup. Let the flow go, get down and drink it up. I swear he made it up himself, and it'll hypnotize an elf. Them drinks that Freddy mix, and well, they won't fit. For each emotion, Freddy got a potion. He's known to have you toxified before you know you're even dry. Just mention his name, all the cats know Freddy. He serves one, so Freddy deserves one. 'Cause tending bar the way that Freddy does, he tends to unnerve one. All day, juices all day, Freddy. But all that bread don't reach the till. Though I ain't saying Freddy's stealing, if you know him at all, then it's a cinch that you know he will. Ever ready, Freddy, with a paw so steady. For the next tab was ready. He's got a style, that's all I know. Freddy's on time, juice is on tap.